Luz Maria Barrera Agaton, influencer 36, found dead in hotel swimming pool in Mexico. Wakers after allegedly threatened outside gym. A beauty influencer had been found dead at the bottom of a hotel swimming pool just a week after she was allegedly threatened outside her gym. Luz Maria Barrera Agaton, 36, from Mexico, had been staying with family and friends at the Coco Resort as Villa Hotel in Mortal West of Cancun when she died on Sunday morning. The bodybuilder has spent the evening with loved ones around the Cancun-style pool before they all made their way to bed around midnight, leaving her alone on the premises. The influencer was quickly removed and paradise tried to save her, but she was tragically already dead. May her soul rest in peace. Luz Maria Barrera Agaton.